Hey guys, sorry about that. Those lamps are coming along good. Decided to do some kachina dolls. Fun to do. I don't do the paint work, my wife does it. Of course, I get to do the hard part. Just like everybody does, huh? Well, maybe not everybody. But lamps are coming along good. Now it's just time to drill and put wires. I've been kind of avoiding it for a minute, but it's time to get that done now. And then I'll get on. I keep bouncing back and forth what kind of lamps I want to make out of these. Just keep bouncing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Because that one just looks so pretty the way it sits. It's just like, oh man, that looks good. That looks good up on some guy's in his den or something. But get those ones out for sale pretty quick. They're done. But I just thought I'd just do another little quick video, give you a little quick update. Well, some of what I'm doing. We'll get a lot more of those. Get the bigger ones and the more radical design ones going here pretty quick. They take a lot of time though. The hand carving on that right there alone, that probably took me almost 3 hours to do. That's just another one of these. That's what this part is where the wings mount on the back. And then it's just the wood burning and paint, and it's done. That one's probably only got an hour left on it, with maybe 2 at the most with wood burning and paint. But that's what I'm doing.